Hello, I'm in a 2013 Subaru Impreza, and today I'm going to show you to fold down your seats. So for these rear seats, you'll see this little knob. You'll pull this up, and then this would lower it forward. And then it's the same for the other side. There's a little knob there you can lift as well. And to get this to fold all the way down, you just need to move this seat forward. But when you're done and ready for this to go back, I'd first make sure the seatbelt isn't trapped, and then push it back. And it just locked right into that little area here you can see. So this just has a release here. So that's now locked in place again. And then for your front seat, you'll see here there's a couple ways. This will fold forward, that seat, and then if you push this up and push back, it folds the seat back. This just adjusts this part up and down, and then this lever here, if you lift this up, you can slide the whole seat forward or back. And the passenger side should be similar, with that same bar and those same levers on the side. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.